honestly.
What are we about to do, Dale?
I'm about to fly my drone, a drone that I haven't flown in months. I mean, I still got it.
Yeah, he's got it.
I'm good at video games.
There he goes. Goodbye. Forever. Are we actually?
Yeah, we are at G2 Motorsports.
And it's cold.
It is very cold.
What do we got here? We got our tent.
For sure.
Oh yeah. Tent.
Oh yeah. And our Huracan exhaust. Full titanium valve.
Bear with
Got the
him.
720 and the C8. Both with our WIKD exhaust on them.
Yeah,
Titanium.
Yeah. Hopefully it warms up.
Yeah.
Right?
What is up, Wicked World? What is up, Wicked World? What is up, Wicked World? We're in Anna, Texas at Motorsport. What is
Motorsports
G2 Motor.
What is it, Motor Park or Motorsports Park? We are in Anna, Texas at G2. We just set up our booth and it is colder than a witch's in a brass bra. We're gonna walk around and check out the vehicles that are here. I heard there was close to 350 cars and 150 spectators registered. So if my math is mathing correctly, that should be 500 people here. This part of the video is not gonna make the cut.
This part of the video is not going to make the cut.
Let's walk around and see what the people brought. This is our McLaren 720S.
Yeah.
Mr. Wicked's favorite car. Dang, dude, I didn't see the turbo on this thing.
Turbo.
Wow. Rango, what's going on here?
Here we have what appears to be a big single turbo converted M3. I think these are twin turbo, right? Peter! These are twin turbo originally, right?
Yeah.
Converted to single.
Nice.
Big old.
This
single
S58,
boy.
Big
right?
boy.
If Aiden's good at editing, he could show the other S58 we tuned. German car. Yo, is that an LS swap Tesla?
Dude. I've never seen the inside of a Tesla.
I think this one's had some modifications.
Tesla mods.
Tesla mods. I think it's a...
jailbroke his Tesla. Oh.
Sorry, you want a picture of this?
SLS? Wait, what do they call these? I don't understand.
I don't know.
I don't know. SLS? It is SLS.
This thing is pretty sick. Anyway, we found the Batmobile book. Not sure what this is about. I like it though, I guess. It's cool. Cool. Got freaking free hot sauce from the hot sauce Mercedes car.
Yeah, dude, like...
Belinda's, right? Melinda's. Dude, yeah, I don't know. I've never really heard of them until now. We were just looking at the car, and there's hot sauce chilling, like, in the engine bay. He comes around, he's like, hot sauce car. He just hands us a pack of hot sauce. That was awesome.
Out at G2 Motorsports Park right now for Cars and Coffee. This is actually kind of wrapping up a little bit. Cars are starting to leave. There's definitely been some really cool cars here, though. I think probably my favorite that I've seen, it might be the LFA. No, it's probably that 430 Challenge over there. That Ferrari F40 or F430 Challenge is just beautiful. Sit next to the 348. Yeah, I know it's not the flashiest thing because like people kind of tend to gravitate towards the cars that are the most expensive.
Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Chevy truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
It is very cool.
Yeah.
I'm curious on how much power it's making. That's a good color on that GT4. So, controversial opinion. Over the course of the years, there's certain cars, like in my opinion, the M3 and the 911, that in the constant pursuit of trying to make them better every generation, they've gotten further and further away from what made them special in the first place. And so this like constant like drive to make them better has actually kind of made them worse. And in my opinion, the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS, I think it's actually a better 911 than the 911 is. It feels a lot more true to like the 993, 996 generation that I love. It's smaller, it's very simple, and they're just awesome cars. And plus, I think they look significantly better than the 911 now.
Is it V12?
Oh, you know, it'd be fun. Let's play a game.
What?
How many lukewarm, not like hot takes, but how many lukewarm takes that would probably make people disproportionately upset can I come up with
In 5 minutes?
Yeah, in 5 minutes. So first one, this is the last good-looking Ferrari. The latest generation of the M2, god-awful ugly.
Yeah, I can agree.
Great, they're in every like statistical way, they're great, but they're
That's an awesome car.
horribly ugly. Obviously,
That's
what
our
I said
car.
about the GT4 RS, the Cayman GT4 is a better 911 than the 911 is. The S650 Mustang looks like, it basically looks like a IP safe knockoff of the S550 that you would see on like Grand Theft Auto or something like that. So yeah, they do have very cool, I understand what they were going for.
Yeah.
They were trying to
Bring back the wide body box.
well, yeah, they were trying to bring back like the 90s, 80s, 90s look of like the DTM shape of them, with the more like squared fender flares, and the profile of the car looks good. I just think like the styling of it is awful. That's the best mod on any Huracan that I've seen here yet.
What's up, guys? Back there. We're about to tune this S5. Yeah, we're about to tune this thing. What did we do to this? Do you remember?
What?
What did we do to this?
It's got a meth kit.
Oh, meth kit. Yeah, we added a meth kit exhaust.
Oh yeah, it's a downpipe was already on.
Yeah, but yeah, we did some diagnostic stuff on it as well. Fixed it, buttoned it up. So yeah,
Should be making like, I want to say 700.
700. Nick, what are your predictions for horsepower?
600.
Huh?
600.
600?
750.
Yeah.
I thought it made 600 before.
Oh, okay.
rocking in the mainframe, bruh. Yeah.
Is this the little... This flashes the ECU?
Yeah, it sure does.
What does flashing the ECU do?
Changes the parameters in there. Makes them a little powerful.
Yeah.
Makes the pops and the bangs and the blues and the blows.
So, like, does a flash, like, get rid of the information or adds new information?
It reads the information that's currently there.
Yeah.
That way you can edit that information.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Going?
Yes.
Is this on?
Yes, it's on.
What's up, Wicked World?
We've got a 2019 Audi S5 in today. We've had it for a little while. It came in. It was tuned with somebody else. He was having issues. They were doing a remote tune, something like that. So first we diagnosed a bunch of issues. I guess there was water in the vacuum system, just all kinds of weird stuff going on. We were able to remedy those issues, had really bad misfire issues. Got it to where it was running good and then kind of started off fresh. The car had charge pipes, obviously catless downpipe. We did the 3-inch mid pipes, and then we actually did a custom 4-inch from the 3-inch mid pipes. So opened it up a lot. It was getting a lot of back pressure before. We also added meth to the car. I think that's basically it. It's on full E85, so it has the high pressure pump plunger in it. And yeah, so we ended up right over 700 at 714. Took a lot of stages to get there, just diagnosing things, seeing what the car liked. But really happy with this platform. I personally drive a B58. So this is kind of their direct competitor. And it's obviously, and it does have a TE 810 turbo on it. So obviously not your stock turbo will not make that power. So it had the 810 turbo. So on our dyno making 714 should be pretty quick. It's obviously raining, or we'd probably get a draggy on it and see what it'll do.
How much boost was on it?
Right at 30
30
pounds.
Cool.
So yeah, happy with the platform. This motor is in a lot of different platforms. So now that we have a good base, we did a S4 the other day. It was kind of a basic deal. Made good power with that. So this is kind of like the almost all-in stock motor build. So yeah, should be pretty impressive.
Cool. Thank you, Nick. What's up, guys? We are coming to the end of the video. Just want to catch you guys up. We have some projects going on. Pretty big. Michael?
Seaway?
What were you working on?
I was working on the Raptor.
Yes. What are we doing to it?
When you have a big gun like mine, you should do like this.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Wait, what is that?
You get it? Oh, is it? You? What's
The flare tip.
flare tip? Oh, yeah, that's what it's tip. Oh, that. I got you now.
Oh, you should
Flare.
learn
Flare.
English.
Okay, when you do this, I don't know what
Like-
this means. I don't got a balloon.
Just explain what we're doing to the Raptor real quick.
So, came in once about 700 horsepower. We're doing turbos, full exhaust, intake, charge pipe, intercooler, blow-off valve, port injection.
Yep.
What?
Has port on it.
Has port on it.
It has port on it. Does it really? It has both.
Oh.
Yeah, because
Oh.
so we just need to upgrade the injectors.
Oh,
They have both nowadays because carbon buildup on the valves.
Oh.
So we're upgrading the.
Yeah, so we're upgrading the port injection injectors.
Okay.
He wanted to do a big brake kit for the front, so we're doing
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
That's kind of really about it. And then Nick's gonna tune it.
I don't know how we're gonna.
Yeah, it's probably not gonna fit on a dyno.
Hub
but
dyno?
Hub dyno
Well,
is probably gonna be the option.
How would we do it on the hub dyno?
Bolt to the hub.
Well, isn't it all-wheel drive?
Huh?
Can you turn off the front wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like right now, you can go spin the front axle. Yeah. So their four-wheel drive is activated with vacuum. So
Oh.
you have to flip the switch, and it like basically sucks the hub closed, and then it
Yeah.
spins it. It's super weird.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yep.
Well,
But
I asked
this is
because
right.
next week's video
Yes.
will probably be the Raptor.
Oh, nice.
So
So I'll finally get a feature.
yes, it'll be your second feature.
Second. Oh, that's right. The Harley was a
10 millimeter, Adam.
What? I think it's a thing here. Just do trucks.
He gets 10?
Yeah, you do.
I got stuck with the trucks.
And the anything with a turbo in it, you're,
I mean,
you're kind of screwed with.
It's not really a bad thing.
No, not at all. Yeah. So on top of the Raptor build that Michael's on, Matt is also working on this Genesis. We've kind of hinted at it a little bit. I know you've kind of gone over some things. We don't have to get into it. But this is definitely going to probably start up either today or tomorrow.
Yep.
He's going to get the fuel going, crank it and all that, right?
Yep. Just trying to get all finish up the cooling system, plumbing. Yeah. Just trying to get the.
He's getting there. He's getting
remainder
there.
of it.
We're getting really close for this, so this will be a fun one too.
Yeah.
And then, all while this is happening, we have the WIKD build going on, which Sergi has put the new transmission in. Adam will go over that probably next week. But yeah, these are both the WIKD cars, torn apart. This one is looking very similar
Because usually
to how WIKD 1 used to look.
Money.
So, and then of course we have pretty much finished up on our Rift build right here. It needs to get his driving miles, braking miles. I think Nick's gonna be working on that throughout the week, and then after that we are gonna tune it. So stick around for that. We are coming to the end of the episode, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the Raptor build, the Genesis swap, and then also the WIKD build. So see you guys around.